Alright, so we're back. Just had to fix a snout on the corn head. It popped up on its own. So, yeah, I think what's gonna happen is I'm gonna dump that into the tub in the back end of the Gator, and then I'm gonna go and get another tub. So. Yeah, I've come a long way since the last few videos I did gleaning, which I still don't have them all uploaded yet. I still have yet to get all the other ones uploaded. So I gotta have two hands, you guys. Give me a minute. There. One tub is full. Spread it out a little bit. There. One tub is full. I gotta go back to the corn crib to get another one. So I'll bring you guys back once I get a new tub out here. Yeah, just got to the corn crib now. There. I gotta put that tub in here. And I gotta cover it, so bring you guys back once I get the tub in. There. Got a fresh tub. Now let's get back out to the field. I forgot that. Shut the lights off. So yeah, it's almost too quiet without the fan going. I suppose I better go and tell them that it stopped. So, anyway, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I didn't get a chance to tell them. anyway, yeah, I got a fresh tub in the back end. No guarantees I get it full tonight. Yeah, I'll be busy looking for corn and scratching for some. Yeah, won't be too much longer, then he'll be full. So yeah, there's an ear of corn right there that apparently must have gotten knocked over. Knife there. So I say he's full. Yep, he's full. So, yeah, wasn't expecting to get 2 ears of corn already. That's why looking through all this shit helps a lot. I don't know where the heck he's coming from. There's the Groats operation way over there. So, yeah, I gotta sort through all this trash. I gotta sort through all that all over there. And then I gotta move way down past here. There goes my grandpa with the 2 wagons. So, yeah. So, he'll be heading to Sinclair with those loads. Anyway. So, He'll be passing by on the, you know, on the road. An old 8400 do it? Oh yeah. He's gonna have to make a running start at it. So there he goes. Combine's on its way back. I gotta text my grandma about something. And I'll see you guys in the next one.